In this video, I'm going to show you how to fish in Fish inside Roblox. So in case you just started playing out Fish and then you want to learn how to actually catch fish inside the game, here's how you can do it. So the first thing you want to do is find any body of water on the map, which isn't really hard because it's a small island surrounded with an ocean. You then want to walk up to that body of water, and then you want to click 1 on your keyboard so you'll access your flimsy rod, which is the default rod you get while starting out. Then what you want to do is simply position yourself towards some body of water, so have your mouse towards the water, and then what you want to do is simply hold down your left click on your keyboard until you see this bar, as you can see over here, and this bar will go up and down. Just try to release your left mouse button when it comes to the very top where there's that green area. And there we go, it will say perfect. Then what you have to do is these shake buttons will start appearing randomly on your screen. You'll have to click those shake buttons, but be careful if you misclick and you don't actually click the shake button, but misclick it, you'll have to do the old procedure yet again. So you'll start clicking those shake buttons over here, and then after a few clicks, maybe 10, 12, 15 or less or a bit more, it's completely random. Once you do this, a red exclamation mark will appear above your head, and you'll see that you're then it's time to reel the fish. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. Let me just press shake. There we go, it's now that exclamation mark, and then you can see that gray kind of line. You want to make sure your white bar is inside that line, and you can do this by essentially holding down your mouse button and clicking it, and when you click it, it's going to go to the right, and when you release it, it's going to go to the left. Okay, so you were able to see that bar. Let me show you this yet again. There we go, I'll just drop that in there. Press shake until you get it. As you can see, it's completely random, so sometimes you get it within the first 4 or 5, sometimes you'll have to wait a bit longer and click it until you get the exclamation mark and until you catch a fish. So there we go. Now what you want to do, as you can see, when you hold down the right click, it goes to the right. I mean, when you hold on your left click, you only use your left click, it goes to the right, and then when you release it, it goes to the left. So if I were to hold down my left click, it went to the right, released it, went to the left. There we go. And then you just have to kind of maneuver this with that bar, with that gray bar where there's the fish, as you can see. And then it can be kind of tricky at first. However, when you get used to it, it's very, very easy. Now, as you can see, I just got a fish myself. There we go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can fish anywhere where there's water, and when you don't want to have that fishing rod anymore, you can simply click your 1 key on your keyboard, and then you'll be able to see your hand again and put your fishing rod back onto your back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to fish in Roblox. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.